Welcome to the financial universe, where the stars are stocks and the galaxies are cryptocurrencies. In this vast cosmos of investment opportunities, it's important to understand the celestial bodies that you're navigating, as each holds its own unique potential for growth and risk. The financial world is a broad and complex one, but fear not, for it can be traversed with the right knowledge and guidance. At its core, it is made up of two dominant entities: the stock market and the world of cryptocurrencies. The stock market, a constellation of companies and corporations, offers a chance to own a piece of these entities, to share in their successes and bear the brunt of their failures. It's a universe that's been around for centuries, evolving with time and technology, and has become a fundamental part of our global economy. On the other hand, the galaxies of cryptocurrencies represent a relatively new frontier. Born out of the digital age, these digital currencies offer a decentralized alternative to traditional financial systems. They are the shooting stars of the financial sky, rapidly gaining popularity and value, but also bringing along a fair share of volatility and uncertainty. Both of these financial entities, stocks and cryptocurrencies, offer unique investment opportunities. However, they also come with their own set of risks and challenges. A comparative study of these two could be the compass that guides you through your financial journey, helping you make informed decisions based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment strategy. In this video, we'll delve deeper into both these universes. We'll explore the intricacies of buying and selling in the stock market and the cryptocurrency world. Our aim is to provide you with the information you need to navigate these financial galaxies with confidence. Remember, we are not financial advisors, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Dive in to unravel the mysteries of the stock market and the cryptocurrency world. The stock market, a place where companies and investors come together in the dance of buying and selling. Imagine a bustling marketplace. Instead of fruits and vegetables, buyers and sellers trade in shares, units of ownership in a company. When you buy a share of a company, you essentially buy a piece of that company, becoming a shareholder. You're essentially betting on that company's success, hoping that as the company grows, so does the value of your shares. Let's simplify it with a quick example. Imagine you buy 10 shares in a company called Tech Future. As Tech Future grows and prospers, the value of your shares increases. You could sell these shares for a profit or hold on to them, hoping for even more growth. But what if you don't want to sell? Well, some companies pay out dividends, a portion of their profits, to shareholders. As a shareholder in a company that pays dividends, you could receive a periodic payout, typically quarterly, for every share you own. It's like getting a slice of the company's profits just for being an investor. So, how do you buy and sell these shares? Traditionally, you'd need a broker, a person or company authorized to buy and sell shares on your behalf. But in the digital age, online platforms have made this process much easier. You can buy and sell shares with a few clicks or taps on your screen. But remember, the stock market is a volatile place. The value of your shares can go up, but they can also plummet if the company performs poorly. It's a world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. That's why knowledge is so vital in the stock market universe. Understanding the market, the companies you invest in, and the risks involved can make the difference between a profitable investment and a costly mistake. The stock market, a world of opportunities and risks, where knowledge is power. Next, we venture into the cryptocurrency galaxy, a universe of digital money that is changing the way we think about finance. This is a world where money isn't printed by governments, but mined by powerful computers. It's a world where transactions aren't monitored by banks, but recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain. So what's a blockchain? Imagine a digital ledger that's shared among a network of computers around the world. Every time a cryptocurrency transaction occurs, it's recorded on this ledger. And because the ledger is decentralized, it's extremely difficult to tamper with. That's blockchain, the backbone of the cryptocurrency universe. Now let's talk about mining. No, we're not talking about pickaxes and gold nuggets. In the cryptocurrency world, mining is the process of validating and recording transactions on the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and the first one to solve the problem gets to add the transaction to the blockchain and is rewarded with a small amount of cryptocurrency. So, how do you buy and sell cryptocurrencies? It's fairly simple. You'll need a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies and an account with a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy or sell them. Once you've set up these, you can start trading. It's similar to stock trading, but instead of buying shares of a company, you're buying a piece of a digital asset. Let's illustrate this with an example. Say you want to buy Bitcoin, the most well-known cryptocurrency. You'd open up your exchange account, select the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, and then execute the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, the Bitcoin would be transferred to your digital wallet. Selling is just as straightforward. You'd select the amount you want to sell, execute the transaction, and the fiat currency equivalent would be transferred to your account. Cryptocurrencies, a brave new world of finance, where the rules are still being written. It's a world that's not without its risks, but also one that offers exciting possibilities. As we navigate this new universe, it's crucial to remember this golden rule. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now that we have explored both universes, let's compare them to help you navigate your financial journey. In the bustling stock market universe, you're dealing with businesses and corporations. Buying a stock means owning a piece of a company and sharing in its profits. It's a tried and true method, backed by centuries of economic history. Stocks are regulated by government agencies like the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States, which brings a certain level of stability and protection for investors. However, the stock market is not immune to volatility. Economic events, company performance, and global news can send prices swinging. Now let's hop over to the cryptocurrency galaxy. This is a relatively new frontier, where you're dealing with digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by a central authority like a government or bank. This offers a level of freedom and potential for high returns, but it also means more volatility and risk. Cryptocurrencies can see meteoric rises and dramatic falls in a matter of hours. They are less regulated, which can be a double-edged sword. It allows for innovation and growth, but also leaves room for scams and market manipulation. Accessibility is another point of comparison. Stocks traditionally require a brokerage account to buy and sell, and some high-priced stocks may be out of reach for average investors. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, can be bought in fractions, making them more accessible. Anyone with an internet connection can buy or sell crypto at any time, from anywhere in the world. Potential returns are a crucial aspect of any investment. Both stocks and cryptocurrencies have the potential for significant returns. However, the higher potential return of cryptocurrencies comes with higher risk. No matter which universe you choose to explore, remember that knowledge and understanding are your best allies. It's important to do your own research, understand what you're investing in, and be prepared for the risks. After all, in both the stock market and the cryptocurrency galaxy, there are no guarantees, only opportunities. With a basic understanding of both worlds, it's time to learn how to participate in them. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies begins with selecting a platform suited to your needs. Traditional brokerage firms like Charles Schwab and Fidelity offer extensive resources for stock trading, while digital platforms like Robinhood and eToro cater to both stock and cryptocurrency investors. Cryptocurrency-specific exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase are also popular choices. After choosing a platform, the next step is to create an account. This usually involves providing some personal information for identification purposes, setting up a secure password, and linking a bank account or credit card for funding. Be mindful of the security of your information, as the digital nature of these investments can make them targets for cyber attacks. Once your account is set up and funded, it's time to execute your first trade. For stock trading, this involves searching for the company you're interested in, reviewing its performance and financials, and deciding how many shares to buy. You then place your order, which can be a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to buy when the price reaches a certain level. Cryptocurrency trading follows a similar process. You search for the cryptocurrency you want to invest in, review its performance and market trends, and decide how much to buy. Cryptocurrency trades are typically executed as market orders due to the volatility of the market. Selling stocks or cryptocurrencies also follows a similar pattern. You select the investment you want to sell, decide how much to sell, and place your order. Keep in mind that selling can have tax implications, so it's a good idea to consult with a tax professional. Remember that every investment comes with risks, and it's important to do your research before diving in. While the potential for high returns can be exciting, it's crucial to invest only what you can afford to lose and to diversify your portfolio to spread out your risk. As with any financial decision, informed choices are usually the best ones. As we gaze into the financial universe, we wonder what the future holds for stocks and cryptocurrencies. Delving into the future of these two exciting realms, we find ourselves intrigued by the possibilities. Stocks, the more traditional investment vehicle, have been around for centuries, weathering economic storms and witnessing the rise and fall of empires. Their future is likely to be shaped by technological advancements such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, which could revolutionize the way we analyze and predict market trends. Regulatory changes too could play a pivotal role, as governments around the world strive to protect investors and maintain economic stability. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are the new kids on the block, disrupting the financial world with their decentralized nature and blockchain technology. The future of cryptocurrencies could be largely influenced by technological advancements, particularly in blockchain technology and cybersecurity. Regulatory changes are also a major factor to consider. As cryptocurrencies gain popularity, governments and financial institutions are grappling with how to regulate them. This could result in a wide range of outcomes, from widespread adoption and acceptance to stringent restrictions or even outright bans. Market trends also play a crucial role in shaping the future of both stocks and cryptocurrencies. The rise of retail investors, driven by increased accessibility and the democratization of financial information, could continue to fuel market volatility and create new opportunities for both traditional and crypto investments. Moreover, the increasing integration of the stock market and cryptocurrencies is another trend to keep an eye on. With more and more businesses accepting cryptocurrencies and even considering launching their own, and with the advent of tokenized stocks, the line between the stock market and the crypto world is becoming increasingly blurred. While the future is uncertain, one thing is clear: the financial universe is always evolving, and so must we. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, staying informed and adaptable is key to navigating this ever-changing landscape. So, let's keep exploring, learning, and evolving together in this exciting financial universe. As we conclude our journey through the financial universe, we leave you with a few important reminders. We've explored the vast expanses of the stock market and the cryptocurrency galaxy, comparing their unique features and the processes of buying and selling within each. But remember, this exploration is just the beginning. It's crucial to continue your research and stay informed about the ever-evolving dynamics of these financial realms. In the same vein, remember that we're not financial advisors. We're here to provide insights and spark curiosity. The decisions you make should be based on your own careful consideration and consultation with a qualified professional. Now, if you've found this journey enlightening, we encourage you to join our community. Like this video, drop a comment below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notifications to get updates anytime we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you'll get updates anytime we upload a new video. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay savvy, and stay tuned for more.